I am off on a very special mission today. A quick 20-minute flight from Moorabbin Airport here up to a place called Kyneton, which is just north of Melbourne. Let me get us airborne and on our way to Kyneton, and once we're up in the air, I'll tell you a little bit more about what we're up to today.
Echo Yankee Zulu, line up.
Line up, Echo Yankee Zulu.
Echo Yankee Zulu, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Echo Yankee Zulu. Power, static RPM is good. Airspeed's increasing on both. Everything's in the green, 70 knots. Alright, we're keeping it nice and low today. I'm just at 1,500 feet, Melbourne off to my left-hand side here. Now, I'm very lucky with this YouTube channel and my amazing viewers, you guys out there who watch what I do. Not only can I share with you my aviation experiences, but I can also share the travel experiences and just some of the fun things that I get up to in my life. But one thing that's really important to me, and I'm hoping that you'll enjoy watching this video today as well as a result, is the animals that we share this planet with and the welfare of those animals, and just thinking what we can do as very privileged human beings who live very good lives. So today I'm heading to a place called Edgar's Mission, which is a not-for-profit sanctuary where they basically rehabilitate and look after rescued farm animals. And the nearest airport is Kyneton, which is obviously where we're heading today. Kyneton traffic, Echo Yankee Zulu is joining crosswind runway 36, Kyneton. Kyneton traffic, Echo Yankee Zulu on base runway 36, Kyneton.
Terrain ahead. Terrain ahead.
Kyneton traffic, Echo Yankee Zulu on final runway 36, full stop. It was good practicing on Michael's short runway. This is a 700 metre runway. Michael's was 600 metres, so knowing I could get into that the other day made me feel a lot more confident with this one. Alright, we're down. Air conditioning on. Welcome to Kyneton.
Hello, Kika. Good morning, how are you? I've made a friend already.
I don't want to tread on a chicken. Sorry.
They know we've got food, that's why
they know we've got food.
on.
Down here with Sophia, finally down here at Edgar's Mission now. We're going to do a bit of a tour around what you guys do. But where are we starting? It's kind of obvious from what's around my feet, but where are we starting?
We're currently in Chicken Village, so this is where all of our chicken residents just hang out. Each of them has a house, so each rooster hangs out in a house. They have 8 to 10 girlfriends.
8 to 10 girlfirlds.
They're lucky
Not
boys.
A bad life for a chicken around here then.
Not bad, not
and
bad.
Are they crowding around us because they want to eat?
Yeah, they've heard the seed, so I think we better get to feeding pretty quick.
All right, well let's feed them first of all. They're clucking as they eat as well.
Yeah.
It's like, just focus on eating, you'll get more. So kindness is an important value to you here as well?
Yeah, it sure is. So we really started with a girl with a pig with a dream, so we'll tell you a bit more about that. But the whole thing is it's just spreading this mission of kindness. So we believe that kindness really can make a difference in the lives of these farmed animals and really change people's perspectives on them.
Have I cuddled a pig before?
Yeah.
I can't say I've ever cuddled a pig before, no.
Well, lucky
Am I about
you.
to?
And that's her saying hello to you and having a little sniff, and you can scratch her on the head.
Oh, she's so calm.
Yeah.
She's so classy. Oh, she's awesome.
Yeah, and you can see she'll wag her tail when she's happy, so she'll often walk
Look at her
around
tail
wagging
go.
her tail.
Give me a little bum scratch. There you go.
Yeah, so it's really sad because in factory farms actually it's quite a common practice to put them in these sow stalls where they are confined to this metal crates where it's as wide and just a little bit longer, so they can't really move around at all. What happens is they start to lose their minds because they're so intelligent, and they're just standing on concrete and they have to go toilet where they stand. It's incredibly stressful for these beautiful animals, and so they do start to go a bit crazy and they start to nip at each other's tails. So that's actually why they remove their tails and their tusks, so that they can't harm each other. Edgar Allan Pig is the pig who started it all. That was 17 years ago now. So she procured him from a factory farm and she just couldn't believe what an amazing animal he was. He would do all the things that a dog could do. She could teach him tricks, and she actually would take him out on a lead and take him to parks, and people couldn't believe how amazing this pig was. He won hearts everywhere he went. Like I said at the beginning, it started with a girl with a pig with a dream, and her dream was of a kinder world for animals, and now that mission of kindness and that dream of kindness has just spread.
Come and say hello. Oh, Palm. Hello. Also, just before we do this, I've just realised I've got a lot of mud on the lens from all the pigs. That's why I have a lens protector. Alright, mud's gone, mud's gone.
And it's a misconception that cows just produce milk. It's not true, they have to have babies to produce milk. Cows like Clarabelle, who's the tan one over there, she was a spent dairy cow, and what that means is every year she'd been impregnated with a large steel rod, she'd carried her baby for 9 months, and she then had her baby taken away, and during that time she's already formed a strong connection with her baby. Those babies are taken away because their milk has been earmarked for human consumption. What we do find is the cows are incredibly stressed out during that period of having their babies removed. You often hear them crying for days and chasing after the trailers that are taking their babies away. But the sad reality is for cows that are born in the dairy industry, they call them bobby calves, especially the males are surplus. They will not provide any economic value, so they're killed shortly after birth. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
A lot of people who watch know that I fly with a little stuffed toy cow milkshake. All I need to do is buy some land out here.
Yeah.
With enough room for a runway, obviously. But then cows either side, and then we can talk about. I can rehouse some cows for you.
Absolutely.
Milkshake would love some friends to hang out with. Ever get the feeling when you're being followed sometimes? Look! Yum! So what happened to him?
So he was born with this congenital disease.
He was born with it.
So the flock had moved on and he was just there. He would have surely died if he was left there.
But now he's got wheels.
Yeah.
He can get around.
This is Leo Tolstoy, and he's the one that was actually born on a truck bound for the abattoir. So he was found on the side of a really busy road. His head was bleeding. You can see he's still got a bit of damage to the top of his head. He spent a lot of his early years with vet nurse Ruby, so the little kelpie. So we're pretty sure he thinks he's a dog. We've got this $5 Friday community.
Yeah.
So, you know, for the price of a soy latte every week, people are giving their $5 a week to Edgar's, and that goes to supporting animals like these guys.
All right, I'm in on $5 Fridays. I'm going to do that down below. If you want to support these animals as well, it's like a coffee in Melbourne. In fact, it's less than a coffee in quite a lot of coffee shops in Melbourne. I reluctantly have to leave now. I've probably only got maybe 2 chickens and 1 lamb in my backpack, but as long as you don't check me on the way out, then
sure,
yeah,
no
good.
worries,
No
I'll turn
security.
the other cheek.
If people watching want to come down, how would they do it?
So we do ask people to go on our website, so edgarsmission.org.au, and there's a Visit Us tab on there. Basically, you go on there and there's a list of free tour dates, so the tours are all free.
Yeah, so book online. I'll put a link down below. Also, that $5 Friday idea, I am totally in on that, by the way. So by the time you watch this video, I would have done that myself. It's totally your choice. I get it at the end of the day. All I wanted to do with this video was just show you what goes on here in this brilliant place. Hey, thanks, Sophia. Thanks for your time today.
No
I had a brilliant time. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. No, I don't know why you want to eat my hair. It's not very tasty.